Hello and welcome. If you're a student or a parent gearing up for the 2026 engineering admissions, this one's for you. Today, we're taking a deep dive into T.J.S. Engineering College, located in Tiruvallur. Keep that TNEA code handy, 1241. Let's break down what you need to know. Okay, let's get straight to it. When you look at this college, three things jump out immediately. First, it's now an autonomous institution. Second, it holds a solid A grade from NAAC. And third, it has a major focus on excellent connectivity. Now, these aren't just buzzwords, they're really important differentiators. So let's unpack what they actually mean for you as a student. So, first things first, let's get the basic facts straight. Who is T.J.S. Engineering College? Right, here are the vitals. The college, which many call TJSEC, has been around since 2009. It's a self-financing college in the Tiruvallur district, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. But pay attention to that detail right next to its type. It's now an autonomous college, and that's a key piece of information we'll come back to. Now, let's talk about the stuff that really matters when you're making a big decision like this. I'm talking about the official stamps of approval, the things that tell you this is a place you can trust. What are the credentials? The first, and honestly the most important update, is its autonomous status. Now, this is a huge deal. It's not temporary, it's a 10-year grant, right? From 2025 all the way to 2035. So what does this mean for you? It means the college has the freedom to design its own modern curriculum, one that can keep up with how fast technology is changing. The second major trust signal is this letter right here, A. TJS holds an A grade from NAAC. Think of NAAC as the government's official quality check for colleges. And an A grade is a very strong indicator of high standards across the board, from teaching quality to campus facilities. And that A isn't just a random letter. It's backed by solid numbers. The college scored a cumulative grade point average of 3.05 out of 4. This shows the kind of consistent performance that's needed to earn that top-tier grade. Now, here's why this is so important for your admission process. This is a recent third-cycle accreditation. That means the college has consistently maintained its quality over a long period. And it's valid until May 2026, making it perfectly current and relevant for your batch. You know, when you put it all on a timeline, you can really see the story here. It started in 2009 under the T.J. Sivananda Moodaliyar Educational Trust. Then, a little over a decade later, in 2021, it hit that NAAC A Grade benchmark, and now, in 2025, it's achieved the huge milestone of autonomy. It's a clear picture of steady, focused growth. Okay, so you know the college is credible. Now for the most important part of your decision. What can you actually study here? Let's look at the BE and B.Tech programs on offer. The total number of undergraduate engineering seats available here through TNEA counseling is 360. This gives you a good sense of the size of their first-year intake each year. So, how do those 360 seats break down? Well, computer science is the biggest branch with 90 seats. Right behind that, you've got a strong set of IT-related fields, AI and data science, ECE, and information technology, all with 60 seats each. What's really interesting is the focus on new age tech. They have not one but two different AI-focused branches, one in data science and another in machine learning. Of course, the core branches like electrical and mechanical are there too. All right, so you get your degree, but we all know that's just the beginning. The real goal is a career, right? So how does this college help you get from the classroom to a great job? This is it, the million-rupee question every parent and student asks. Which companies actually come to this campus and put their trust in its students? And the answer is pretty reassuring. You're seeing the giants of the Indian IT industry right here. We're talking about TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, the names that hire thousands of engineers every year. But it's not just IT services. You also see core engineering and tech firms like L&T and DXC Technologies in the mix, which suggests opportunities across different engineering fields. And it seems their industry connection isn't just about placements at the end of 4 years. The college is actively trying to build skills from early on, with a dedicated R&D cell and partnerships, or MOUs, with companies like MD Automation. This kind of exposure is what gives you a real-world edge before you even graduate. So let's just quickly recap the college's biggest credibility points. You have the 10-year autonomous status, which signals academic maturity. You have a 3-star rating for innovation from the Ministry of Education, and you have proof that their innovation efforts are working by winning a grant from the state's Science and Technology Council. It paints a pretty clear picture. Okay, enough about academics and careers for a moment. What is life actually like on campus?
Let's look at the practical side of things, the facilities and support systems for students.
First, and this is a big one for anyone planning to move, the hostel situation. The simple answer is yes. The college provides separate on-campus hostel facilities for both boys and girls.
Now, what about this number, 60? This is a big operational strength for the college. It's the number of buses in their fleet.
And why does a fleet of 60 buses matter? Well, for day scholars, it means a whole lot. The bus network is massive, covering huge areas across North Chennai, all of Tiruvallur district, and a lot of the surrounding towns. This makes the daily commute safe, easy, and accessible for a huge number of students.
And finally, let's talk about financial support. It looks like there are several options available. You've got the standard Government of Tamil Nadu scholarships, like the First Graduate Scheme and community-based scholarships. On top of that, the college itself offers aid based on merit and financial need. And there are also a couple of other trust-based scholarships available.
Just a quick note before we close, all the information we've discussed today has been gathered directly from the college's official website and verified government portals at the time we prepared this explainer. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.